Years ago, I used to love putting on big, extravagant, beautiful dinners. I, of course, would do a big gourmet meal and invite family over. I enjoyed planning, starting about a week in advance for these dinners. And then, as you can see here, kids happened. I was going to clip that scene, but it was too funny and I had to keep it. Yep, I'm a mom. I'm a mom of 6 kids now, and I homeschool as well. So I just don't have time to do these beautiful dinners like I used to do. The thing is that when I can swing it, the family just feels so touched, and the kids' eyes just brighten and widen when they see that I've done them a nice dinner and set the table all beautiful, and they all get into it. It's hard to keep the table set long enough just for a picture with a toddler running around. Anyways, I wanted to share this beautiful spring dinner that we did a couple weeks back. We actually did this for Easter, but there is no reason why you couldn't do something like this any time of year, really. But this is my boho tablescape. If you're new here, you may not know this, but I love boho style, and some of my most popular videos are about the boho style. And I try to keep it authentic. So this tablescape, I have got textures. You can see on the top of the table, it's actually not a runner, it's a throw rug. And so I've got that for texture and color. I've got a beaded garland. I also have a woodsy candle. So this is kind of a musky scent, which to me, anything woodsy is kind of boho to me. Of course, I had to throw in some plants here. This is a bouquet of flowers. My husband and I had our 17th anniversary over the same weekend, Easter weekend, and these are the flowers he got for me, and they're so beautiful. And of course, flowers are boho, so they go in the scene. The tableware comes from a variety of places. I got the wooden bowls from a thrift store, and the metal cups, you can find them on Amazon, you can find them at Walmart. I think the ones off Amazon are probably a little better quality than these. My plates actually came from Dollar General. I got them for $1 a piece, you guys, which was a major score, and I love lemons. I love eating lemons, lemon juice. You'll see that nothing is matching. That is partially because I do have 6 kids. The other reason, though, is, hey, that is what the boho eclectic style is all about, you know, keeping it unique and mixed. So everything is mixed. I've got metals, I've got woods, I've got, you know, of course, the glass plates, and it works. I love the look personally. Okay, so the menu. Dinner was amazing. This is going to sound really odd if you don't have kids, but the old Peter Rabbit books were my inspiration for the vegetables for this spring dinner, and my husband helped out. I wouldn't have been able to pull all of this off without his help. He came up with half the ideas. So we made the Mediterranean cabbage salad, roasted asparagus, and roasted glazed carrots. My husband smoked and glazed a ham. Turkey ham tastes the best, by the way. I made herby lamb meatballs. It was the perfect spring Sunday dinner. I hope that this has inspired you with some lovely spring dinner ideas for your family. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you next time.